Hello, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Okay, okay. So, very good evening to all of you.
Good
So,
evening, sir.
yeah, this is the solved session of week 3. So, hope you are familiar how to join this peer deck slides. So, just enter on your
Yes, sir.
Chrome this joinpd.com. After that, you have to enter this code A Y K Y Z Z. Who has doubt how to join, so you can ask people. So simply you have to enter joinpd.com on your browser. After that, you have to enter this code AYKYZZ. Then you will see the same slide which I represented on my screen. Okay, so 15, 18, 19 of you have joined this. So out of 51, 22 have joined. Let's wait for a couple of minutes so that everyone can join, and after that we will start. Meanwhile, how many of you have covered all the concepts of big three?
Yes, sir, I have covered.
Yes, sir, we have covered.
Okay, so you got the concepts as well.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a general question, sir.
Mhm.
The problems that are given for solving in practice assignments or activity questions, whatever, they are
Okay.
involving huge amounts of calculation work.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
the calculator, I wonder whether the same calculator option that is given in these screens, right, in the graded assignment or normal activity, right side top corner, there is a calculator option, right? Is that
Yeah.
the same calculator that will be given in the qualifier and other exams also?
You can say like exact same, but it's kind of similar to that. You can search about TCS scientific calculator. Okay, it's a normally there will be simple calculator. Yeah, one more thing in the exam we will give calculation like you can do in easy way. I mean, not too much complicated calculation will be there. There will be just a
What
constant
was
check.
that, sir? You were mentioning some TCS calculator. What is that?
TCS means at the TCS center where you will go for the exam.
Okay.
Just search it online, TCS scientific calculator. It will.
TCS on-screen calculator, is it?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Why?
It's
Because
a
this calculator, what is given, no, it is not having either option to type the numbers. We are supposed to manually select the numbers only, which is
yes. You
very
have to
tedious.
select there. Yeah. You have to select.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
It is
so
very tedious. Yeah, okay,
yeah,
sir. We'll
but
check.
in the exam question, I mean,
Hmm.
calculation will not be that much complicated.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so people who have not joined it, kindly enter on your browser joinpd.com. After that, you have to enter this code AYKYZZ. Let me start the class. Okay, so not let me start. So yeah. So people who are not joined it, kindly enter joinpd.com on your browser. After that, you have to enter the top right corner code. This are you able to see the code at
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Code is visible, sir.
this top right corner code is visible? It's
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Code is visible.
yeah. So you have to enter this top right corner code, which is AYKYZZ. So let's wait for one more minute. After that, we will proceed.
Sir, is it graded session?
Not for graded, it's similar to graded after this session. I mean, you will be able to solve the graded assignments question. I mean, it's a kind of similar to graded.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So,
Question label will be similar, no, sir?
yes. In the, okay, so you can, I mean, use the things and according to the level of questions, 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes will be allotted to you and you have to solve this. And please I mean, ready with a pen and paper so that you can solve the questions. First thing. And second thing,
How many question will be there?
around I think 6 to 7 questions is there. And the people who have not joined yet this period, kindly enter joinpd.com on your browser Chrome. After that, you have to enter this top right corner code. You can see on my screen AYKYZZ. Okay. So hope all of you have joined, or any one of you is facing any problem to join this period.
Sir, I have joined.
Okay, any one of you is facing any problem, any difficulty to join this one?
No, sir.
Okay, so you can see this. I mean, at the below corner, you will there is a section to enter the answer. So you have to enter the answer. Submission will be automatically. Okay. So is everyone ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Anyone everyone has joined this? I mean, this periodic slide. If any one of you have any problems, so tell me, and we will continue after.
Me Prashant sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, please.
So I have some doubts. Will you clear those doubts after this presentation?
Yeah. After this session, we will discuss the rest of the things. Okay.
Actually, sir, today there is. I want to add that there is no 2 hours for the class in afternoon 2 to 4
It was there, right?
because I was joining, but no one is there. I'm
Okay,
not
we'll
able
check.
to enter that.
Okay. No issues, Jani. We will discuss the rest of the things, and
Okay.
you can join the tomorrow office hours as well, 2 to 4. Okay, we will be discussing.
You will take tomorrow's class.
Yeah. I will take the tomorrow office hours as well.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Yes, yeah, thanks. Can you mute? There is some back. Yeah, thanks. So the people who have not joined this PDX slide, so kindly enter joinpd.com on your browser. After that, you have to enter this top right corner code AYKYZ. Okay, so enter this. So let's start this session. Yeah. So this is the prelude one to the question one. Some numbers is given to you with the frequencies. Okay, so you have to find the mean of the data. I think it's a simple calculation as well. So I think hardly it will take 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so kindly solve this question. Okay. Okay, so the people who have not joined this periodic slides, kindly enter joinpd.com on your browser because here only 66 people have joined. Rest of the people who have not joined, kindly enter joinpd.com on your browser. After that, you have to enter this top right corner code, which is visible on my screen, AYKYZ.
Sir, completed.
Okay, no worry. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes because there are only 30 responses from your side. Let's wait
So we
for
have to write
1 or 2 minutes.
and till one decimal point. Decimal point.
Yeah, you can enter.
So
How?
I'm not able to log into PD.
Okay. So, Kana, just enter on your browser, either on your phone or laptop. Enter joinpd.com. Just write joinpd.com. Okay. After that, you have to enter this
From
top.
desktop Opera 87A.
You have to enter this top right corner code AYKYZZ. Okay.
Sir, when I write bbc.com, it
Yeah.
says site.google.com and then error comes.
Error comes. No, you have to just. No,
I get an error.
no, see. Have you read? Just open a fresh, Chrome browser. Enter joinpd.com. Okay. Have you written this?
One second.
Yeah. And right, joinpd.com. Then go on the first side, in which you have to enter this top right corner code AYKYZZ. Are you able to do it?
Also, somehow I'm not getting the link, sir.
No, not about link. See, 1 second. Are you able to see my screen? Just enter joinpd.com. Okay. After that, just enter code. These things you have to do, nothing else. Okay. Just write on join these things, joinpd.com. Okay.
It is PDX, sir.
Sorry. No, not PDX. Joinpd.com. That's it. Okay. Then press enter. You have to enter code, and code is nothing but yeah. 1 second.
Or I'm getting PDX, sir, not PDX.
No, just what did you write? Joinpd.com. Just write join joinpd.com. Okay. After
Sir,
that,
it's
uh,
not for-
any one of you can
Then I get
help.
uh,
Yeah, see, Isita Singh has written on the chat. Just copy paste joinpd.com. So just let me know whether you are able to get. Okay, so I have got 67 responses out of 81. Let's wait for 1 more minute. After that, we will see the solution and responses from your sides. Okay.
what is the code?
Yeah, code is this top right corner code AYKYZZ.
Sir, how much we have to get in the graded to be qualify for the qualify exam?
Isita, you can check the grading pattern from the portal itself. I think it's photo. I'm not sure. I have to check also. So just check just go through the grading pattern.
Oh, okay, sir.
So Anna, are you able to? I mean, did you join this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let me log the screen. Let me see the responses from your sides. So okay, so someone has entered 2, 5.75, 5.52, 5.52. Okay. So various responses from your side. So yeah, this is the simple things. You are given the right this numbers. Okay, observations is given to you 2, 6, 7, and 9. Corresponding frequency is given to you 8, 4, 6, 5, and you have to just simply compute the mean of the this data set, right? So mean of this data set is nothing but you have to apply the formula of x bar is nothing but summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. So summation of fi xi means this 2 into 8 plus 6 into 4 plus 7 into 6 plus 9 into 5 divided by summation of fi is what? You have to add all the frequency 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5. So just compute this value, you will get the answer. So is this clear for everyone? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir, it's clear.
Is clear? Yeah. So correct answer is 5.5. Okay. Okay, so we can move for the next question. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, yes, please. Hello. Yeah. So this is the question number 1. Some numbers are given to you 4, 5, 7, and 8. Okay. With frequency, see here frequency is different, right? So with frequency, x minus 3, x plus 3, and x respectively, and mean is given to you. So you have to find the value of x, and you can use the previous formula of mean, because when frequency is given to you, then you have to use the formula of mean as summation of fi xi divided by summation. So I think 5 to 6 minutes will be more than enough. So it's 8:17. So 8:18. So 8:25. I will log the screen. Okay. So kindly attend this. And the people who have not joined it, this PRDX slide, kindly enter on your browser, joinpd.com. After that, you have to enter this top right corner code AYK by check.
Sir, how many question will be there in quiz?
You can expect 15 to 16, around 15 to 16.
Sir, 15 to 16 or 50 to 60?
Okay, so what's your guess?
Sir, in 1 hour, 50 to 60 will be much more, sir.
That's why I said 15 to 16, not 50. It's 15 to 16. Mhm. Approximately, you can 15 to 16%. Okay. So there are 101 participants, that's 99 participants. So the people who have not joined it, this PRDX slide, kindly enter joinpd.com on your browser. After this, you have to enter this top right corner code AYK YZZ.
Sir, done.
So yeah, there are around half responses from your side. Let's wait for some couple of minutes. After that, we will see the solution. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
Hello.
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, hello, yeah, yes, please.
Sir, one question. This frequency, can it be a real number or it must be integers?
See, it should be like of integer because something you have to count, right? Frequency is what? Count of numbers, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
5 times, 6 times, 7 times. So you have to enter in.
Sir, most greater integer. Sir,
Yeah, yeah, hello.
sir, greater integer.
Yeah, greater integer is something, square, whole square of x something. So that is, yeah. You have to
Sir,
enter
it
just.
comes
It's just it's
exactly
coming
integer,
out to
not
be
with
integer, right?
X. Yes, sir, it is coming out to be integer, not
Yeah,
X,
yeah.
sir.
Okay, so I have 81 responses from your side. Let me log the screen. Okay. So let me see responses 10, 10, K, 100. Someone entered -0. How frequent X can be negative? So 5 to 10, 1, 2.
Answer is 6.225.
Second. Okay. So any one of you can tell me how did you approach to this?
We just
Sir, we have used the formula that we used in the previous question.
Yeah.
we
Yeah,
mu-
one
Yes,
minute,
yes,
sir.
sir.
sir,
1 second. Yeah, 1 second.
just we have solved the linear equation in one variable.
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you there, sir? Sir, your audio is not coming, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir. Now you're audible.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
actually, yeah, I was unmuted. Yeah. So see, numbers is given to you, right? 4, 5, 7, and 8. right? With frequencies x minus 3x, x plus 3x. So, and mean is given to you. So I have to find the value of x according to the question. Okay. So
You were not audible, sir.
Sir, you are again inaudible.
Yes, sir, you are not audible. Please repeat.
Sir,
No voice coming, sir.
Sir, please
sir, I
open
think
your
your
mic.
mic.
Your mic is not open.
yeah, sorry, actually the yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, so numbers is given to you and frequency is given to you. Okay, x minus 3x, x plus 3 and x, right? So see, I have to use this formula, summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
see, numbers, I mean 4 into x minus 3 plus 5 into x plus 7 into x plus 3 plus 8 into x divided by sum of the frequencies. So frequencies is x minus 3 plus x plus 3 plus x. So, and mean is given to us 6.225, right? If you solve this question, then see, in the denominator 3 will get cancelled out. In the numerator it will be 4x minus 12 plus 5x plus 7x plus 21 plus 8x divided by 4x. So after calculation you will get x equal to 10. So should I do the whole calculation or is it okay to you?
No, sir, is it
Yes,
okay?
sir, it is okay.
Okay, is it okay
It is
for
okay,
everyone,
sir.
right? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
there is a
No, sir.
similar question to this in the graded assignment, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
think it's the
Yes, sir.
first one. Yeah.
Yeah.
First one.
So, okay, let's move to the next slide. Yeah, this is the question number 2. Okay, here you have to think little bit. I think 7 to 8 minutes will be more than it. So it's 8:28. So 8:36, I will log the screen. Okay. So please do it. Okay. Kindly read the question carefully.
Sir.
Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes because there are only 20, 30 responses. Let's wait so that everyone will do. Okay.
Sir, the answer is coming out to be a whole number, but the question says that enter correct to one decimal place. So what should we
Yeah,
do
it,
about
it
it?
might be like, see, it might be answer is in decimal, but I mean, you can recheck your calculation. If it's coming out to be in whole number, then just, I mean, answer will be accepted, right? I mean, just enter your answer. So you are trying, right? So we can, if you want, then we can wait for some more minute.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Sir, some of us we are able to solve this question in less time. So, uh, should we see this lecture after the session completion in 2x speed?
Sorry. So
Sir, I am able to solve these questions within the time limit.
okay, that's a good
So,
thing.
this is 2 hour session. I can complete this session in 1 hour also. So should I not attend this live class, and instead of that, after the recording class, should I watch the recording in 2x
It's
speed to
see,
save
Vijay,
time?
see, Ritik, it depends on you. I mean, you can't say anything in general. It's depends on you individual how you are doing the session, how you are able to solve your doubts. It's depends on you, but it's a good thing if you are uh, attending the session and all things, and you are going with.
Means it is not necessary. No, means it will be not counted as grade. These uh,
For such,
joinpd.com.
yeah, see, for such type of things, just go through the grading pattern, whether which grading will be considered. Okay.
There is not mentioning
Okay.
any of the live
So,
sessions.
I mean, you can go through the. I mean, you can take your decision accordingly. You can't say in general.
Good evening, sir.
Evening. So, okay. So let's wait for one more. There are 60 responses. After that, we will go.
sir. Sir,
Yes, yes. Yeah, hello, yes.
sir, can we allowed to use Google Sheets in exam?
Sorry?
Can I allowed to use Google Sheets in exam, qualifier exam?
No, 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 no. In exam, you people are not allowed to use Google Sheet.
So,
Yeah, hello.
Thank you, sir.
hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Uh, for how much marks is for the exam?
See, just again, I'm saying this way, just go through the grading part. It's normally will be for I think 50 around. 50. Okay.
How to solve
So
this problem, sir?
there are 59 responses from your side. So it's are people you are uh, trying, or should I wait, or we can move? So you can tell
So
me
we
if you
can
are
move.
trying, then we
We
can
can
let
move,
me
sir,
know.
to solve this.
Move it, sir.
Okay, let me see log this count. And let me see the responses. Yeah, there are some background. Awad, can you mute yourself?
Sorry.
Can you mute yourself? There is a background noise from your side.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So 9, 9, 5, 45, 9, 55. Okay, 45. Variations are there. Someone had deleted his responses as well. Okay, so any one of you can you tell me how did you approach this? Because you have given mean of the data set
Standard
containing the 5
deviation, I know
observations,
you, sir.
and
Uh,
population standard deviation is given to you. Later, it is noted that one observation one is wrongly noted as 6. Okay, so what
Sir.
is the mean of original data set? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
so see.
one way to do is remove this fifth data, sir.
Yeah, see, we can say it's also that. Solution is see. Suppose, see, exact observation are not given to us. Okay, so we can consider, right? Let x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 be the numbers in the data set. Okay, and mean is the given to us, right? Which is 10. Okay, 10 is given to us. Now, by the definition of mean, what is the mean? Mean is nothing but the sum of observation divided by number of observations. Okay. So x bar is what? X1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by 5, right? So from this equation, mean is given to us as 10. So I can find the sum of, yeah, see, please mute yourself who has not out. So from here, I can find the sum of observation, right? So sum of observation will be 5 into x bar. X bar is given to us 5 into 10, which is nothing but the 50. Okay, till this point, anyone of you have any doubt?
So I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, okay, please.
No,
Now let x1 be 1 and wrongly noted as 6. Then what do we do the correction for?
See. What I asked, see, till the this equation, sum of the observation is 50. Till this point, any one of you have any doubt? Then, okay.
no,
So yeah,
sir.
let's see the next step. In the question, it said one observation, one is wrongly noted as 6, right? Let's take that observation is x1. Okay, I have 5 observation. I don't know which observation is that one. Let's take x1 is the one which is wrongly noted as 6, right? See, I got x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 as 50. We got, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is said that one observation is which is one is wrongly noted as 6. Okay, let's take that is x1. Okay, that means value of x1 is 1. For simplicity, I take. Okay, so I can write it like that. Okay, that means this one, right? In the question, we have asked about the revised mean. I mean mean of the original data set. Okay, so it is said that one observation one is wrongly noted as 6. So how can you find the original sum of the observation?
We can take this one to the other side and become 49.
Sorry.
We just minus the
So
6.
just remove it one
We
and
can
just
minus
place 6.
one from
So what
the
I
actual mean.
what I can do? See, one observation is wrongly noted as 6. That means minus 6 I can do. I can do plus 1.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Why plus 1?
Because see,
Plus 1.
observation is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
One observation is wrongly noted as 6.
Sir, I
One
can't
ob
We
understand
have
this part.
subtracted the wrongly noted one, no, and then added the
see,
corrected one.
one observation means one observation. It can be anyone, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. It can be anyone. Okay.
Okay.
That observation is 1. Okay.
Okay.
1 is wrongly
Got it.
noted as 6, right?
Right. Got it.
So I have to add that one. Okay. And subtract is subtracted by 6 because that is wrongly noted as 6. So correct sum of observation is I will get that this one. Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, sir. It's
Any,
clear.
any doubt in this? Okay.
No,
So
sir.
I got the corrected sum of square. So correct new mean of the original data set will be what? This corrected sum of square. Sorry, corrected sum of the observation, that was 45 divided by 5. That is
5.
the 9. Is that clear for everyone? Any doubt in
Yes.
this?
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. So you can use this 9 in the next question. Okay. So please be careful here. I had to subtract the wrong observation from the sum of observation, and I had to add the one to the. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Not this is the actually this is the This is the very important thing. Expansion of the variance formula. So here I can see population variance is what? 1 upon n summation xi minus x bar square. Okay. So I can write is 1 upon n summation. I can apply the expansion formula of a minus b square, which is a square, that means xi square plus x bar square minus 2 times of xi x bar, right? Is this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So next step I can write 1 upon n summation of xi square plus, see, summation will go inside the bracket, then it will be n times of x bar square.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me let me write it on the sheet so that we will get the yeah. I have population variance formula, which is 1 upon n summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar square, right? So to this equality, I can use,
Population variance, capital N we have to use, no, sir?
you can use small n and capital N, anything. No worry. See, difference is in the sample you have to use n minus 1, whether you are using capital N or a small n. No need to worry about that. So here I can do xi square plus x bar square minus 2 times of xi into x bar, right?
Correct.
So
So I have a doubt, sir.
yeah, this
This formula, this equation is equal to what is this P dot V?
this is the population variance. Okay.
Population variance. Okay.
Yeah, I have written just in a shortcut. So here summation will go inside bracket. It will be summation I is equal to 1 to n xi square plus summation I equal to 1 to n x bar square minus 2 times of x bar. I can write summation I equal to 1 to n xi. See, this x bar will be outside. Just write it on inside as well now. So now can I write 1 upon n summation of I is equal to 1 to n xi square plus, can I write this inequality as n times of x bar square, because x bar is a constant. So adding the x bar square at till n times, it will give you n times of x bar square.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear for everyone? Minus.
Yes, yes.
See, here x bar is a constant term, because if you see summation of I to n xi, suppose x bar is a constant, so I can write it as x bar summation I is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n times of xi.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear for everyone? Because x bar is a constant, so summation will be applicable only to xi. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
yeah, 1 second. So yeah. So here I can write 2 times of x bar summation I is equal to 1 to n xi, right? You know x bar is what? 1 upon n summation of xi, right? By the definition of mean. So I can write n times of x bar as summation of xi.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because if you multiply by n to the left side, so from here I can get summation I to n xi square plus n times of x bar square minus 2x bar. So this quantity by this equation I can replace by n times of x bar.
Yes.
Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
I can write 1 upon n.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, I cannot understand from the third step, sir. It is 1 by n into summation of xi square plus nx
This
bar the whole
quantity
square.
did you get? How it will be n times x square?
No, sir, I missed.
See.
I had network issue with that part.
Okay, see, what is summation of xi square? You can see from this. Meaning, see, x bar square is what? This is the constant term, right? Okay. So
Yes,
adding
sir.
x bar square up to n times, it means n times of x bar square.
Yes, sir.
So this is something, and from here x bar is a constant term, so I can take it as outside of the summation sign. So I okay.
Yes, sir. I get that part.
So from here, summation of xi by the formula of mean, I can write it as n times of x bar equal to summation of xi. So this summation xi I can replace with the n times of x bar, right? So
Yes,
next
sir.
step will be n times of x bar. It can be I can write it as 2nx bar square, right? So it will be 1 upon n summation of xi square minus n times of x square, because this is 1 time, this is 2 times. So minus 2 plus 1, it will give you so this is the extension formula of the population variance. Similarly, you can use for the sample variance where it will be 1 upon n minus 1. That's it. Rest of the things will be
You're not audible, sir.
am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you're
Actually,
audible.
I got disconnected somehow. Yeah, so this formula is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can do for the sample variance, just this n will be replaced by n minus 1. So here in this particular question, you have to use this formula: population variance 1 upon n summation xi square minus n times of x bar square. This is nothing but the expansion of the original formula, right? So in the next question, you have to use this. Okay.
I have a doubt here, sir.
Sorry.
Question, for the first question, this population variance or the
Sir,
sample
why there for sample variance, sir? Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
You have generalized this equation for sample variance also. But there might be some issue because this summation xi will not be written n x bar.
No, it will be n x bar square. See what?
No, that there it will be there, but at the last this x bar will not get cancelled, no?
Why? In the sample
No,
mean is
no,
the
sir.
same.
Sorry,
See,
sir. I have gotten, sir. Actually, I was thinking that n minus one will go inside. Actually, you have
no,
taken
no, no,
common,
no.
right,
It's
sir?
outside. It's outside for both of. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So yeah. So this is the expansion formula for
For
this
the
one.
first question which you have given,
Uh-huh.
sir, for the first question you have given, the answer is 9. The question
Yeah.
and answer will over, sir.
Question is?
No, for the question which was shown here, the
Mm-hmm.
answer is 9.
Oh yes.
So that
9.
part of the question and part of the answer is over.
Yeah, that part is the over. This is the
So
next
why you
slide.
have given this sample variance in the question, sir? It's not required, no, actually.
See, Narendra. What is that? In the next question, you have to use the previous one. That's why it's something is given to the.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay?
Even in the graded assignment also similar question is there.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to understand for only if the mean is required, then the sample variance or
So
population
see,
variance is.
the things which you have to use to compute the mean, just use the quantity. Okay, those quantity. That's it. See,
Okay, sir.
is
Thank you.
mean and see, mean and variance is given in the same one, because when you will use the population variance, I mean, when you have to find the population variance formula, then mean will be used simultaneously in that one. Okay, that's why it's given together. Okay.
Okay, I got it, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. See, in this question, you have to use the. I hope you will get the why mean and population is given to you simultaneously. Yeah. So this is something given to you. So you have to use the expanded formula of the expanded one of the population variance. So mean and population standard deviation is given to you. You have to find the population variance of the original data set. Okay, so I think it should take 8 to 9 minutes more than enough. Okay? So please see, you can use the mean of the original data set as 9, which we have solved in the previous.
Sir,
Yes. Hello.
I have a doubt, sir. What is small n?
What is small n? Where?
For
Yeah, n
the
is the number of
form
observation. N is the number of observation.
observation.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, could you show us that earlier formula we have derived?
Okay. So just write this formula. You can just note down this formula. Expansion one upon n bracket summation xi square minus n times of x bar square. So here I can give a hint. You have to use the original sum of square of the data set, right? Original means corrected sum of square. That's why formula has been explained. Okay. Everyone has note down. So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So this is the question. So kindly attempt this one.
Sir, in the qualifier
The
exam,
standard deviation which
we
has
have
been given here.
calculator.
Yes, see one by one. Yeah, please. Yeah.
Sir, the standard deviation which has been given here as 6, is it of corrected data or wrong data?
Ritik, you have to think about. See, kind of read the question. Okay. After that, you have to think. If it's just read the question
In
carefully
this
and try.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So in this question and in this formula, you have written that 1 by n into summation xi. Is that whole square or only xi square? Like whole.
No. Summation of xi square. Xi square means x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square. Okay, not whole square.
And but x bar square will be the square of the mean only.
Yeah. See, you can note down this formula. 1 upon n summation of xi square minus n times of x bar square.
Will we use the new mean for that?
Yeah, that's why I said just think about it. See, you have to use the you have to find the population for original data set, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
that means you have to use the original mean. That means new mean, right? That's why here formula has been expanded so that you can use this mean, and you have to think about where how you can find the corrected sum of square of the observations. Okay.
Are we expected to derive formulas, like this, Prashant?
No, SJ, see, what is the
Yeah.
thing? You have to just, you can memorize this. I think there is only 3 to 4 steps, right? So not that much things. It's for concept clarification, means how you can use the things.
Sir, kindly move to the
Just,
next slide, please.
yeah. So everyone has note down this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So I'm moving to the question. Just attempt. SJ, is this clear now? It's just for this particular question.
That's clear. Thanks, Prashant. The only thing I was looking at is how much of memory is required, from application. Normally in a real world, these things would be given,
Yeah.
right?
I got
I get your point. I get your point from an academical standpoint. Probably it's we need to go back
yeah.
to
Actually,
school
what
days.
the thing, that's why, see, this things is new. I mean, besides from the lecture video, okay? That's why we embed the already expansion of the formula, so that uh, we can make you able to understand.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Prashant.
Yeah. So we have, I mean, we have embedded these things in these slides because see, in the graded assignments, there is a similar question to question number 2 and question number 3. If you have already gone through the graded assignment, so that everyone, okay, will able to solve the graded assignment question. Okay, so there are 28 responses. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. So that we will see the solutions.
Hi, actually, I have a question. Hello.
Okay, yeah, sir. No.
Uh, my question is, in the formula, it's the summation of the squares of the individual observations or the
Yes.
total.
No, it's a summation of the squares of individual observations. See, it's a summation of xi square means, like you can say x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square and so on up
Okay,
to xn.
okay, I get the formula and all, but my question is, since I'm not given all the individual observations, so how can I compute the
Yeah, you have to
squares as
think,
well?
you have to think means, see, in the previous one, you got the how we have computed the corrected mean.
Yeah, that was pretty basic. That was easy. But how
Yeah.
can I get the
So, yeah.
squares is actually kind of
So
getting
similarly,
difficult.
you have to think. Just try it on yourself. After a few minutes, we will discuss the solution. Okay. Just try it
Okay.
on you. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Thanks.
give your 100%. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, is it necessary to remember those formula? Because I did it in very different way, which took a less amount of time. So
Okay. Maybe see, everyone has different approach. So if you remember, then it will be. I mean, it will be easy for.
okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes, please.
summation x square is 45 square.
Sorry, summation of
X square is 45 square. Is it correct?
your voice is not. Can you repeat?
Summation x square is 45 square. Sir. Is it correct?
Summation of x square. After that, actually, I'm not able to hear you properly.
Is the 45 square, sir?
Is the
45
anyone 42 square?
45 square.
No, sis. Bijay, what the things? 45 is what? Summation of xi. 45 square means you are doing the summation of xi whole square. It's not summation of xi whole square. It's sum of the individual square.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So please do it.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Hello. Yes, please.
In which situations we use sample variance?
Yeah, it
I
will be
mean,
mentioned. Yeah, it will be mentioned. You have to compute sample variance. You have to compute
I
population
mean,
variance. It will be mentioned. No.
okay, sir.
Sir, sir,
Yeah.
yes, assignment 3 for statistics, the questions keep changing. What is it about, why?
Practice assignment.
Yeah, the graded assignments.
No. Graded assignments is. I mean, uh, values are different for everyone. Okay.
Values are
It's
different for
it's
everyone.
yeah. It's different for everyone. Not same.
Okay. So in this lecture, what we are going to learn about?
So yeah, in this session, we will discuss the questions similar to, I mean, graded assignment, similar to this, which will cover the concepts of more or less every concepts of week.
Okay.
Okay, so there are 43 responses. So are you trying? Yeah, let's wait for a couple of minutes so that more people can do it. So I will wait
So
4 to 5 minutes more.
I'm
After
getting
that, we will
minus
see the
value.
solution. Sorry?
I'm getting minus value, sir, using that formula.
Minus value? No. I mean, recheck your correlation. You are getting the variance in minus value, then that is not a good thing.
The variation can be greater than the mean or anything, right?
Sorry,
The
variation.
the population standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's the okay, I got it. It's a standard deviation. That's okay.
Yes. You have to, standard deviation is given to you, and you have to find the variance.
Yes, sir. Variance is
Okay, I
35.
have to get the variance.
That
Okay,
is what
variance.
stand variation is 35. So that is positive, but putting that value in that formula, I'm getting minus value. I don't know why.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, so should I wait? You are trying, or
We can
you are
start
trying, then we
solving,
can
I
wait.
guess, sir.
So if you can
Sir, you
find
can
out
move.
the brute, it's only 2 minutes job, sir. I mean, that's what I think. I don't know whether I'm right or wrong.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, let's wait for 2 more minutes. Okay. Yeah.
Can I ask a question about something else?
Okay. Yeah. Please.
Like, what is the practical use of the standard deviations, like the population or the sample ones? Like, if we have a big set of
Okay.
data,
Yeah.
what is the practical use? Like, why do
See.
we
Okay.
calculate that?
By watching the lecture video and all things, what's your guess? I mean, what did you interpret? Is there
Uh,
anything you interpret from the variance or standard deviation and things by watching the? Okay. Had you attended the last live session, week 3 open session?
no, I couldn't.
Yeah, that's right. Because in the session, this answer has clearly explained what is the need of the variance, what is the meaning of the variance, why do we the variance. Okay, these things is okay inherent in the formula of variance. What is the variance? Is nothing but 1 upon n summation of xi minus x bar square. Okay, so we use this variance thing just to know spread of the data set through the mean, from the mean. What is the variability of the spreadness? You can say spreadness of all the observation from its mean. That is the something. And in the variance formula, we get the things in unit square, right? Suppose xi is a age of persons, right? So you will get your final value in year square.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
use
yeah.
we use the standard deviation, because what is the standard deviation is nothing but the square root of the
Square
variance,
root of
right?
yes. Yes,
So
yes, yes,
square
yes.
root of the year square will give you the final value in year.
Yes, yes.
So we use the standard deviation to get the things in same unit in which our data was.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
So, okay, let's move for. I think someone has was tried, right?
Done, sir.
Okay. Let me log the screen. Let me see the responses from your side. 130, 29. Okay, 36, 7.2. Okay, no similarity, similar in question. All are different. Let's see the responses. See, mean is given to us, population standard deviation is given to us. Okay. Now we know the population. See, population standard deviation is 6. That means population variance will be 36.
No, sir, I
Right?
can't understand how we got this.
See, population standard deviation in the question given as 6. So population variance will be 36.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And I have expanded this formula 1 by n summation xi square minus n times of x square, right?
Yes, sir.
So here what is this? 1 upon n is 5 summation of xi square minus n times of x bar square.
Yes.
So 1 upon 5 summation of xi square minus 5 times of 10 squares, because mean is given to us as 10.
Oh, 10 square are there.
Right?
Square, okay.
So see,
No, but
now
corrected mean was 9 there.
see before knowing the corrected mean, we need to know. Okay, let me go on the this sheet. Let me write. See,
Sir, previous questions we solve.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
1 second.
Mean there was
See,
9. The corrected mean was 9.
1 second. I'm explaining. I have this formula, right? Right?
Yes.
So I
Yes,
have
sir.
5 observation and population variance is 36, right?
Yes.
So summation of, see, we do not know this value, right? So first we need to find this value. Only then we will be able to find the corrected population variance, right? So minus 5 times what is the mean of the old data set? It's a 10 square, right? So it will be what? 36 into 5 will be summation
180.
of xi square minus 500, right? So from here I can write summation xi square equal to 500 plus 36 into 5 will be what?
180.
180, right? So from here I get 680, right? So what this means, summation of xi square of the old data set is 680, right? Now I have to compute, okay, I have to compute the corrected population variance. So for computing the corrected population variance, we need to correct it some of the squares of the observations, right? And we have this corrected mean as 9, okay, from the previous data set. So from summation of xi square, I'm writing is as corrected will be what?
680
680 minus 6 square plus 1 square.
1 square.
Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir, that is
observation
very
1
clear.
No,
is
but
No,
wrongly
sir.
noted.
starting is not
So I have
clear.
a doubt.
You have taken
Yes,
the
there is some background noise.
Why is it 6 square minus 6 square plus 1 square?
See, what is the question? In the question, one observation 1 is wrongly noted as 6, right? So
Yes, sir.
we have to
Yes.
subtract wrong observation, we have to add the corrected one.
Yes, sir. But
Okay.
why the square is there?
See, what is this quantity? What we are trying to
Okay.
find here? We are trying to find the square of the observation. If you can see, yeah, one second. In the previous slide, we have to do just minus 6 plus 1, right?
Yes, yes,
See,
yes.
so because we have to just find the sum of observation. Here we need to find the sum of squares of the observation. So we need to do 680 minus 6 square plus 1 square. Okay. So
Okay.
it will be 680 minus 36 plus 1. So value will be come out to be
645.
645. So till this point, any one of you have any doubt? Hello.
No doubt,
The
sir.
doubt clear.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Population, corrected population will be 1 upon 5, okay, summation of xi square, I'm writing in bracket as corrected, minus n, that means 5 x bar square, okay. So x bar we have to use the since we are finding the corrected population variance, okay. So for the corrected population variance we have to use the corrected mean.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till this point, any doubt, anyone? So it will be 1 by 5. Corrected sum of square is 645 minus 5 into 81. Okay. So it will be 1 upon 5, 645 minus it will be 5 and 405. So it will be 1 upon 5 into 0, 4, 2. So 48 is the correct answer.
Okay, so we have used that incorrected mean for only summation of xi square.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
See, what is the thing? Why what is the need to use this? What is the need of given this population variance initially of the old data set? Because from this old data, if it's given to us, mean is given to us for the old data set. See, suppose we have 3 variables, okay, 3 unknown quantity. Sorry, we have 3 quantity out of which 2 we know. So we can compute easily the third one, right? So this is known to us, this is known to us, and is known to us. So we can usually compute the summation of xi square. We know this summation of xi square is the for the old data set. Old data set means in which wrong observation is there. Now I have to find the summation of xi square for the corrected one, right? So to correct this, I have to subtract the wrong square of the wrong observation plus add the corrected one. So from here I got the corrected one. So in this population variance formula, to find the correct population variance formula, I have to use this corrected sum of xi square minus 5 into x bar square. See here we need to use the corrected mean because we have to find the corrected one, and we know the corrected mean is nothing but the 9 square. It will be I mean, corrected mean is the 9. We have to do the by the formula. It's nx bar square, so it will be 5 into 9 times 9 square. It will be. Similarly, you will get the correct answer. Is this clear for everyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask that from where did this 36 came? Means that population variance we took 36.
No.
From where?
See. In the question, population standard deviation is given to us as 6, right? So
Yes, sir.
population variance will be 36. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So we
sir.
can. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Yeah. This is the nice question. You have to use the C. The stem and leaf plot is given to us, represents the marks obtained by students in a test of 50 marks. You have to calculate the 25th percentile. Okay. So kindly do this. I think 4 minutes will be more
Prelude,
than
sir.
it. Sorry.
Prelude 1 2 question 4.
This means it's a, you can say, you can consider it's a sub parts of the things, because it's a prelude 1 to question 4. That means at the end where a main question will be there, so you can use this information to that question, like we have done in the question 1, right? There was prelude 1 to question 1, in which we have applied the mean formula, and same formula I have to use is this clear? So okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
It is
all of you
interconnected
know
question.
this meaning of this stem and leaf, where stem is 3 and leaf is blank.
There is no any data corresponding to 30 to 39.
Yes, correct. This leaf is, there is no leaf. That means there is no observation with respect to stem 3. I mean between 30 to 39. Okay, there is no observation from 30 to 39. Okay. So kindly do this. I think 4 to 5 minutes will be more than enough for this question.
The total number of observation is 9, sir. Is it correct?
Okay, what do you think? Yeah, it's the 9, because for the 3 there is no leaf.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So how do we calculate this, sir?
Yeah, you have to just apply the formula percentile. You have to calculate 25th percentile, right?
I use
Or
it
write
NP
down the,
formula, NP
sorry?
rule.
Yeah, it's
NP
NP rule.
formula.
Yeah, it's NP rule.
Yeah, so for NP rule, it's understood, but in this there are 9 observations.
Okay.
So we'll take 9 as n or 50 as n, because there was written that 50 marks.
Okay, so tell me what is the n? N is the number of observations, right?
Yeah,
Suppose
9.
I'm saying I have marks of 9 students out of 50. So 50 is number of students, or that marks of 9 students?
9 is the number
9,
of
because I'm see what this statement plot represents, just marks obtained by the student in a test of 50 marks. Okay, exam was total out of 50. Out of those 50 marks, there are I mean 9 students who got this marks. Okay, 12, 18. So our observation is this these 9 observations. Okay.
as I'm getting NP as 2.25 something, so it is not an integer. But we are supposed to get NP as 2.5, 3.5 something in not in an integer form. But I am getting 2.25. Is it normal? Like,
It's
can
normal.
we
See,
be able to
if it's
solve by
NP,
this?
see, NP is in decimal point, then you have to take just next smallest integer.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah, yeah.
It can be
Yeah.
2.25, it can be 2.235, it can be
Okay, we
2.05.
have to
Anything,
take the
that's fine.
next one, no?
Yes. Okay, so it's 9:21. I think 9 up from 9:24 or 9:25, we will see the solution. Okay. As I have got the 38 responses, so let's wait for some more few more minutes. Okay.
Sir, while providing the solution to this question, could you please help me out with the like how to do this percentile? Because I went to the recorded session over and over again, but somehow I couldn't come across it. I mean, I
Yeah,
couldn't
no,
get
I
it
think
somehow.
have you attended the last session as well? I'm
In
asking this question
tutorial, it
again.
is given, sir.
In the tutorial, there is things in activity you can see. In practice assignment, you can see. Okay. So percentile is nothing but you have to find the number of observation. What is your n? Then what is your p? Suppose here 25th percentile. So my p is 0.25.
0.25 into n. N is 9, so it's 2.25.
Yes. If value of NP is coming out to be in decimal, then you have to take the next smallest integer.
Next,
So suppose
which is 3. It's 3 in this
whatever
case.
it is, suppose it's the 2.25. So next small integer will be 3. So third observation you have to take as 25% and not 3. Third observation you take. Okay. If your value of NP is in integer, like suppose NP is coming out to be 3, then you have to take the average of third and fourth observation. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's wait for
Graded assignment, the last date for submission is the next day, no? Tomorrow, sir.
Yeah, it's tomorrow.
And sir, there will always be session before one day, just
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah. It's similar.
In week 4 also.
Yeah, in week 4 also. Yeah. You can check
And
your
sir,
calendar as well.
sir, after week 4, is there will be every day there will be revision class for qualifier?
Not every day, how it can possible for every day, but yeah, we'll try to do. See, since week 1 and week 2 we have covered, right? We have done for the revision session. So we'll do for the week 3 and week 4 and we'll see in rest of the things. Okay, there are 48 responses. People are not doing the questions. See, if you are do if you will do the questions, it will be beneficial for you. So just do with us. I think the time which given by me it's more than enough, 3 to 4 minutes. If you want, then we can wait for a few more minutes as well. So just do with us. It will be okay, beneficial for you as well.
So in previous question of that population variance, they are taken 5 as n because it is population. But if we got sample, we'll take 4 in the place of
Oh,
n.
yes. In place of yeah, that's
Yeah.
correct.
No, sir. Sir, n will be 5 only, no, sir? Always.
For sample, it will be n
No,
minus
see.
1.
What Janvi is asking, it's about denominator. In population, it's 1 by n. For sample, it will be 1 upon n minus 1. Rest of the things, it will be 5.
For nx bar square, it will be 5.
It will be 5, yeah. See, in only denominator will be changed, Janvi.
Okay,
Okay?
sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I have small doubt in last problem what we have solved. Can I say
Okay.
my approach? So first, when we done for calculating correct mean, we have subtracted the wrong mean and added the right observation, right?
Not wrong mean wrong observation and
Right.
right observation.
For here also, I can do the same thing, right? Because for the variance, if the value change, if we do anything addition or subtraction, the variance will not affect. Only for multiplication, it will affect.
So that is the another thing. See.
So what I have done is like this. Similarly, 36 into 5, 180. Original one. plus 10 minus 1 whole square minus 10 minus 6 whole square. I get the total summation 245. Then 245 by 5, it will be equal to 49.
No, correct answer is 48. See, it's not about we are adding the things. I mean,
Only one observation is changing, right? I'm correcting that observation.
yes, we are correcting. We are not adding the constant to all the observation. Okay, that is the different thing. Is that clear?
No, sir.
Okay, so there are 53 responses.
Which is easy instead of that.
I think she is doing the plus minus for standard deviation also. That is not possible. For summation only we can add
Yeah, we
subtract.
see. What is the thing then? We have only what information we have? Just that observation 1 is wrongly noted as 6, right? It's not about all the observation we have to add 6 and subtract minus 1. That is not. Out of the total, we have to subtract the 6 and we have to add the 1. That's it.
That one only I'm doing now, sir. 10 minus 6 whole square.
10 minus 6 whole square?
Actually, what she is doing, I think in standard deviation formula there is square root, so we cannot just subtract 6 square.
I'm
In
saying
summation we can subtract 6
What you
square.
are trying to say, sir? Can you repeat?
sigma.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
I wrote the variance formula, sir.
Okay, 1 upon n sigma xi minus x bar square, right? This thing.
That is equal to 36, right?
Okay.
Then sigma x minus x bar whole square equal to 180. 36 into 5, 180.
Yeah. Okay, 180.
Then for this, like we have done before one, right? For mean. Like here, one observation is wrong.
Okay.
So for that, I took 10 minus 1 whole square.
10 minus 1 whole square.
For this full, no sir, up to fourth observation, it will be
like
1
this.
minus 10 whole square, sorry, plus minus.
Okay.
1 minus 6 minus 10 whole square.
Okay.
Yeah, this will be 180.
Okay.
6 sigma x minus x bar whole square is 180. We know this one, right?
See.
But the mean is also incorrect here, no?
This mean is the wrong one. Okay. Okay, Sarvani, we'll do this. We'll do the whole expression after the end of the session.
She is correcting only one term, but in rest term,
Yeah, I got it. I got
mean
the
will not be corrected.
Yeah, I got the Ritik. Sarvani, we'll do this expansion after the end of the slide, okay? Because there are some slides. Let people will do the rest of the question. We'll discuss after the end of the slide. Okay, will that okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks. So yeah, I'm getting only half of the responses from your side. Okay, let me see the.
How much time has been given, sir?
So it's a 20, 20. Okay, 18, 33 point. Okay, consistency is now. Yeah. Okay, so since what are the observations? See, in the stem and leaf plot, observations are already in ascending order, right? And to compute the percentile, we have to, what is the first step? We have to arrange our data set in ascending order. Okay, so it's already in ascending order, which are 12, 18, 20, 25, 25, 25, 45, 47, and 49, right? Here my n is 9. So to calculate 25th percentile, so my p is 0.25. Okay. So after that, what is the first step? NP. N is 9 and P is 0.25. So value of NP will be 2.25. Since value of NP is in decimal, so we have to take the next smallest integer, which is the 3. So third observation of the data arranged in ascending order will be the 25th percentile, which is 20. So first observation is 12, second is
I have a
18,
question here,
third is
sir.
20. Yeah, yes, sir.
In this, when we get NP 2.25, then are we to calculate the percentile value as per the, there's a ma'am has given another formula where you take the second observation, value of the second observation plus 0.25 into the difference of the third and the second observation. Do we use that formula or do we
This
just
one,
go ahead with the third
no,
observation?
as I can know, ma'am has explained this one.
Yeah, but when she was
This is about
explaining the
Google
Google
algorithm.
Sheets,
Okay. I think you are using the
she,
Google
yeah,
algorithm,
when
right?
she was
Google
explaining
Sheet,
the
yeah.
Google Sheets, she said
Yeah.
manually one can also do that.
Actually, what the things in Google Sheet algorithm are different. Okay, but the concept is same. So, but when you are asked about the computing the percentile, you have to do by this formula. No need to go with the Google Sheet
Okay,
algorithm.
fine. So
Yeah,
we just, for 2.25, we just take the third
yeah, we have to
observation
just take
itself.
the 3. Okay, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
So yeah. Third observation is 20. Okay, so 25th percentile will be 20. So any doubt in this?
So I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, yes, please.
Sir,
It is a 2.25. How we write it as 20? Do we round it off?
See, no, we did not round it up. See, what our have you covered the lectures video?
I have covered yes, half of it.
That's see, what is the concept of percentile? If the value of NP is coming out to be in decimal, so it's coming out to be 2.25, right? So next smaller integer will be third observation. So we have to take the third observation. See, we did not take a round, we did not do the round of this 2.25. We have to take the third observation of my data set. If you see, third observation of my data set is 20. First is 12, second is 18, third is 20. So that's why answer is the 20. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I
Any
have a
doubt in
question
this?
here.
Anybody?
Hello, I have a question.
Yeah, yes, please.
When finding out the 25th percentile, we already use this formula and get it that the third one is the 25th percentile, right? But if we go reverse, if we are told to find out the percentile of 20 from this observation, then we use the formula that ma'am has given us. And I just did a cross check here and it didn't come to be 25. So why is
You
this
are trying to
variation?
say?
Like the 20 for this data set, the 25th percentile is the third data, right? Which is 20.
Yes.
If we just reverse the question and it is asked what is the percentile of 20 itself?
Okay.
So based on the formula that ma'am has given us in the lecture, it says you just need to take the value for whose percentile you are going to calculate, and then you just multiply it with the point 25 of the the fractional part, and the difference between that observation whose percentile you're going to take and the next observation.
Okay, we'll check now. Okay. I mean,
That's the Google
yeah.
Sheet
His question
algorithm.
is, sir,
But any
actually I
algorithm we
wanted to
use,
ask.
the answer
One
should be
second.
the same.
One second. Anna, what is the thing? Google Sheet use the different algorithm. First thing, different algorithm, and the manual things is a little bit different, but the things are same. See, what is the things are same means. Suppose you be, I'm saying 25th percentile. That means 25% of the data will be lie below this value, this 20, and rest of the things 75% of the data will lie above this. Okay, that is the fundamental. Okay.
Yes.
Actually, sir, what
And
does
for
he ask,
that, we
sir?
have to
What is
calculate the
the
rank first.
percentile of
Okay,
20
see.
third data?
Suppose this is the 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, this is the observation for myself. Suppose what Google algorithm says, suppose according to Google algorithm, you get the 3.5, for example. Okay, and suppose and okay, so what will be the 25th percentile of data? 5 into 0.25, 1.25, that means second observation, right?
Yes.
That means 2, right? Suppose
Yes.
according to Google Sheet, what should be the answer? I mean, okay, if you apply this formula, it will give it will give the what value it will give, whatever this is. But things is you have to understand. See, this is the 25th percentile of the my data set, right? What is the meaning of that? 25% of the data will be below on that this data, and rest of the remaining 75% of the data will be above this data. Okay.
Yes.
So Google Sheet is giving to the some exact value. I have to check that algorithm. I mean, I will not remember it. What is the exact algorithm for that? Okay. So we'll check one.
Sir, actually,
Yeah.
is not
So
saying for
you
the
meant
Google
that
Sheet.
the algorithm of the Google Sheet is more accurate than this algorithm.
Sorry.
I made an observation for our
Yeah.
course. This Google algorithm
Yeah.
is not required, so we did not
See,
waste time on that, sir.
see, for our course, our course is something just a foundational level course. Okay. Here we have to just understand the basic concepts and basic calculation about those concepts. Okay.
But so actually, in one of
So,
the graded assignment, they
mhm.
asked us to in one of the graded assignment they asked us to find the 50th percentile. So I
Okay.
calculated it just by using the median formula.
Mhm.
It came median formula. I found out the 50th percentile. But when I cross-checked it with the Google algorithm, it was correct. And the normal
50th percentile, Froz, what is that? Froz, can we discuss? I mean, at the end of the
yeah,
slide,
sure,
because we
sure.
have 11 more slides.
Yeah, yeah. So
So
no
yeah,
problem.
and we have time. So just we'll do, and the rest of the things we are out. We will discuss other slides, okay? Because we have 10 to 11 more slides.
Apologies.
Yeah. So here you see stem and leaf plots is the same as the previous one. You have to calculate the median when all the observation are converted to 10 points. So I
What is
think
meaning of all observation converted to 10
5 to
points?
6 minutes will be more than that. Yeah, see, just try to think about that. We'll discuss the solution.
So yeah, I also have a doubt.
I can give a hint like converted to
observation.
10 points means suppose I can give a hint like suppose you got 50 marks out of 100. Okay.
Okay.
Then I want to convert these marks out of in 50 points. Then what will be your marks? 25?
So can you repeat?
I'm saying suppose you got 50 marks out of 100.
Okay.
Right? Then I want to convert these marks into 50 points. Let's say about 40 points. Then my marks is 20.
Yes, sir.
You got 50 marks out of 100. Then I'm saying I have converted this up to 40 points. That means I got 20 marks out of 40.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Is that
So
clear?
I didn't got
Yes,
it.
sir.
See, suppose you got 50 marks out of 100, right?
Yes, yes. 50
Then
out of
I can
100.
say I got 20 marks of 40.
50 marks out of 100 and 20 out of 40.
That means what? I converted these marks up, in 40 points.
Means 40 points means, sir, 40 points.
Yeah, it's what is the things? I can write 50 divided by 100, right?
Yes, yes.
That means what? 50 marks out of 100. I want to convert
Yeah.
this into 40 points. That means into 40. That's it. Is that
Okay.
clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, there is some background noise, so kindly
Yes,
mute
sir. We
it.
have
Yeah.
answered, sir.
Okay, let's wait for the rest of the people. There are only 18 responses. So let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. I think that will be more than enough.
So it means that we have 9 observations. We have to convert it into 10.
Janvi, try to think what I'm saying.
So I'm not
See.
able to get it.
See,
Actually,
I got
scale of the measurement is get it to 10 points only. 50
Yes.
marks is converted to 10 points. Scale of
You can
measurement.
say. Just simply calculate the median of this data set. After that, apply the property of median. Okay, just try it on yourself.
After that, apply property.
Okay, if you are not able to, we'll discuss the solution and answer as well. No worry.
Okay, sure,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Can we say simply 10 points means 10%?
10 point means 10%. So it
Point is
depends.
10 marks.
Okay, see.
So, but why these kind of things are not explained in the videos lectures?
See, ma'am has just, ma'am, what is the things? Ma'am have to cover the concepts. Okay. After that, if there is something different or little bit some conceptual things, so we are there for those type of things.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So, but okay, then we'll discuss after the answers.
Yeah. No.
So, keep
Just try it
उसके
on yourself
बाद
and just try
explain
to
कर दो.
think. Yeah, just try to think. It will be beneficial for you
I'm
guys.
actually not getting the point you are saying, so I am not able to understand and I am not able to think on that.
Okay. Just I'm giving an example. Suppose.
Getting what you are saying.
Okay. No worry about. Just think. Suppose you got 10 marks out of 20.
Yes.
Now till it is okay, right? Again, I'm saying I have to convert this point in 10 points. Then I can say I got uh, 5 marks out of 10.
Yeah.
Are you getting?
Uh, yeah. Like we are distributing the points which we have got out of 50.
Initially, you got 10 marks out of 20. Then I'm saying converted to 10 points. That means I got 5 marks out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for 2 more minutes. After that, we'll see the solution. I think 2 to 3 minutes will be more than enough. Okay, no worry. Let's wait.
So now we have to convert to 10 points.
Yes.
But one doubt is in my mind, like what if all the observations are converted to 10 points? So I have got 12 out of 50. I have got 18 out of 50. So
Yeah.
I have to
I
convert.
will come to the no worry. I will come. I will cover those things. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, let's wait for 1 more minute. You guys are trying, right? There are 52 participants. I mean 80 participants.
We have done, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me lock the screen. Let me see the. Okay, 2.55, 25. Okay, 250. Someone has entered. Okay, see. First of all, tell me what is the median of this data set?
25.
25. Okay. See, my n is odd, right? That means fifth observation of the arranged data set is the median, which is 25. So converting it to 10 points means simple. 25 divided by 50 into 10. That means 5. Is it clear? What is the meaning of converting to 10 points? Janvi?
okay, so we have to
See,
like.
yeah, it's the same thing. Suppose I got 50 marks out of 100, right? I got 50 marks out of 100. Then I'm saying converting to 50 points. So converting to 50 points, that means I can say I got 25 marks out of 50.
Yeah.
That means what?
Like we have in 4 ways we are converting it.
Okay. So here, similarly here, a median is 25 out of 50 and converted to 10 points. See, here we have applied the property of median, right? We can do
Okay, so
in
first,
different way. We can do first, see, what is the alternate approach? Just convert all the observation to 10 points, then compute the median. You will get the same answer. Okay. But what the things? see, we know the property of median, right? If I have to add all the observation as a constant, then my new median will be old median plus that constant. If
Yeah.
I have multiplied by a constant to all observation, then I will get new
Old
median equal to old median into that constant. So my old median is 25 and I have converted to 10 points. That means these things, okay? And I got it as 5. So my constant is here 10 by 15, okay? And my old median is 25.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt in this? Anyone?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt.
Yeah, yes, please.
Can I know if I can change it to 10 points earlier?
Yeah.
Like 12 into
Yes, yes, yes.
12 by 50 into 10 or 18 by 15 to 10.
Yes,
Can
yes,
I
yes,
change
yes.
it earlier?
Yeah, yeah, you can change it earlier and you will get the same answer.
Okay, okay, thank you.
So I
See,
have a doubt.
that's why property is defined, right? That's why this property is defined. That's why rather than doing for all the observations, it will be a little bit tedious task. That's why if you know the old median, just apply the property. Yeah, yes, please.
So that we have to calculate the median. So we have calculated by converting it to 10 points. So the 5 is the median, new median,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct answer is the 5.
not 25.
No, no, 25 is the old median. See, what is the question? You have to calculate the median when all observations are converted to 10 points. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
25 mark will not be possible in new observation. It is
Yes.
impossible.
So
It is out of range.
let's. Any doubt in this, or we can move?
Sir, can you once again explain the part about the 10 by 50, the constant?
See, Afroz, what is the thing? Do you understand this converting meaning of converting, or these things I have to explain?
Yeah, exactly that.
Okay. Suppose what I'm saying. Suppose I got 50 marks out of 100, right?
Okay.
Then is it same as converting to 50 points means I got 25 marks out of 50,
Yeah, yeah, yep.
right?
Yeah, got it.
But yeah.
Thank you.
So let's, any doubt in this or we can move? Okay. Yeah. Here you have to compute the third quartile for the same. So I think it's a easy one again. Okay. You have to just use the apply the formula percentile. So I think hardly it will take 2 to 3 minutes more. Okay. So 2 to 3 minutes, after 2 to 3 minutes, we will discuss the solution. Okay. Please enter the answer. Okay. Yeah, I will come back in 3 minutes. Okay.
2-3 minutes already answer over, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just wait for rest of the people.
We have answers. Please end session before 10, sir.
Okay, so you guys have done?
Yes, sir, done.
Sir. Okay, so let me see the responses from your side. Okay, 40, someone has a 47, 45, 45, 45. Okay, that's consistency. I like it. Okay, yeah. So let's see. See, here observations are given to us, right? We have to just find the third quartile. So we have 9 observations, 12, 18, 20, 25, 25, 25, 45, 47, and 49, right? So we have to compute the 75th percentile. So 75th percentile means value of P is 0.75. So now next step is we have to compute the value of NP. So NP will be N into 0.75, right? Which is same as 6.75. Since value of NP is in decimal point, so next smallest integer will be 7th. So 7th observation of the data in ascending order will be the third quartile. So third quartile is nothing but, which is, I mean, 7th observation is the 45. So can you tell me what is the third quartile in terms of notation?
45.
Okay. Yeah. And what is the first quartile? It's Q1. And what is the median? I mean, second quartile?
Median.
Median.
50. I mean 25.
Percentage.
Yeah. No, I was asking in terms of notation like Q1, Q2, and Q3. Okay. Any doubt in
Third
this?
quartile is Q3.
Any doubt in this?
Sir, actually, I'm little confused when I listen third quartile. It is 25 or 75. Would you
No,
please
it's a
suggest
75.
any mimic for to
No,
learning
see,
this?
it's the simple thing you have to learn. Okay, it's a simple thing. First quartile is 25. Second quartile is 50th percentile. That means Q2. Third quartile is Q3. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the next slides. Yeah. See, you have to use all the previous observation in this one. Okay. That's why it's a final question. You have to use all the prelude in this. So you have to enter the value by comma separated value, right? So you have to enter the 5 number summary. Do you know what is the 5 number summary?
Yes, sir.
Minimum value,
Can
Maximum,
you
Q1,
explain,
minimum,
sir?
Q2,
Q1,
Q3,
Q2.
and maximum value. So just enter this value. You have computed the Q2, you have computed the Q1, you have computed the Q3, and you have to just enter those 5 value. I think hardly it will take 2 minutes, right? So just enter those.
Answer.
Okay, nice. There are 23 responses. Let's wait for 3 more responses so that
So how
we'll
many
know.
questions are left now?
There are 7 more slides. So I think 2 to 3 questions hardly. I mean, exactly don't remember. But you can say, yeah, two or 3 questions.
So what is 5 number summary? I can't understand it.
Okay, that's why I asked Samir. Have you gone through the lectures video?
No. Yeah, I had gone through it, but I can't remember it.
Okay, so just try to rewatch. See, 5 number summary is nothing but minimum value Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum value of a data set. These 5 value of a data set simultaneously called the 5 number summary. Okay, minimum Q1 means first quartile, Q2
Yeah,
means
yeah, yeah.
second quartile, Q3 means third quartile, and maximum value of that data set. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there are 35 responses. Let's wait for 1 more minute. After that, we'll proceed the solution.
Sir, in exam center. Hello.
Yeah, yes, please.
Sir, in an exam center, we are allowed to bring the calculator.
No, 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 no. There will be TCS scientific calculator on your system itself.
We can use it.
Yeah, you can use it.
Okay, sir.
Just go through online. I mean, you can check. Just uh, check how you can use the all system calculator during the online exam. So just go through that. So
Okay,
let's
Sir, how
sir.
to
see the
go through that?
responses. Okay, so some,
Okay.
yeah, it's 12, 20, 25. Yes, there is background noise. Paritra, can you mute? I think it's Dilkush Kumar. Yeah, the people who has not doubt, uh, kindly remain. Okay. So, okay, it's 12, 20, 25, 45, 49. Someone has just entered 2. 2 is not any observation there. Okay, first of all, tell me, do you know how to read stem and leaf plot, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's nice. So let's go. 5 number summary is nothing but the minimum value Q1, Q2, Q3 and the maximum value. So minimum value in this given data set is 12. Maximum value is 49, right? And Q1 you have computed 20 earlier, right? Q2 you have computed 25 and Q3 you have computed in just last slide, which is 45. So you have to just enter these 5 values. That is called the 5 number summary of a data set. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Let's move. Yeah, again, this is the similar to the previous one. You can use the value of, you have to find the IQR. I think hardly 2 minutes will be more than enough for this question. So you can refer the values from here. Okay, 4 responses, you are done fast.
Sir, can you show that the calculator which will be there in exam?
It is just you can go through the any refer you. Okay, I will see. Or you can just go through, just you can do it Google and all things, and just go through how you
Sir,
can use the.
I'm googling the first site com the tcsion.com. Is that one? Could you show that?
Okay, I will check it. No worry about that.
tcsion.com.
Okay, 36 responses. I think it's take hardly 2 minutes, right? It's not that much. Okay, so let me see the responses. 25, 25, 25, 25. Someone has entered 37. Don't know why. Yeah, see, what is the IQR?
Q3 minus Q1.
Q3 minus Q1. That's it.
Q3 minus Q.
And from the
Yes,
previous
Q1.
question, your value of Q1 was 20 and Q3 was 45. So
45.
interquartile range is nothing but the difference between Q3 and Q1, which is 45 minus 20, 25. That's it. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. So now this slide is about outliers. So how you can find the outlier? There is a tutorial also in week 3 to compute the outliers, how you can find the outliers. So there is formula of outliers. Any observation will be outlier which is less than Q1 minus 1.5 times of IQR, and if that observation is greater than Q3 plus 1.5 times of IQR, that observation will be considered as the outlier. Any doubt in this? You have to just compute the Q1 minus 1.5 times of IQR. If any observation is less than this, that will be considered as outliers. And next you have to compute Q3 plus 1.5 times of IQR. If any observation is greater than this Q3 plus 1.5 times of IQR, that will be considered as outliers. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, so just remember this formula. Okay, so let's move to the next slides. This is about how you have to compute the outlier. I mean, how many outliers are there? You have to find the number of outliers. So just write down the observation, just apply this formula and find them. Okay. So all of you have note this down for formula. Just note down this formula. Done?
Hello, sir. Question slide,
Yeah.
please. Question slide.
Sorry. Yeah. Is this a
So
formula
done.
you have note down, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So that formula you have to use here to find the number of outliers. I think 4 minutes will be more than enough. 3 to 4 minutes.
Sir, I can't find the practice assignment solution for week 3.
Just there is a section to check answer, right?
Yes.
So just click on the check answer. After that, you will get a feedback below every question.
Okay, sir.
So I am getting a value in negative form for outlier Q11.
I mean, so just try to think if there is any observation less than that, then that observation will consider your. So it's also possible in your data set values can be in negative, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there can be zero outliers?
Yeah, it's possible. Why not?
So it's done.
Okay, let's wait for 1 more minute so that everyone can solve. Okay, so let's see the responses. 0, 0. Someone has entered 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Someone has 25, 65. So please read the question carefully. It is asking about how many outliers are there. Okay, so let's move to the question. So see, we have Q1 as 20, Q3 as 45, and we know IQR will be 25, right? So quantity will be Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR will be 20 minus 1.5 into 25, which is minus 17.5. So is there any observation in our data set which is less than minus 17.5?
Yes, sir.
No, right? Now come to the next thing. Q3 is 45 plus 1.5 into IQR is 25. So value of this quantity is the 82.5. So is there any observation in our data set which is greater than this 82.5?
No.
No, sir.
No. That means there is no outliers in our data set. Okay. Is there any doubt in this?
Q1 is 25, no?
Sorry?
Q1 is 25.
No, Q1 is 20. See, Q1 is 20, right? Q2 was 25. Is this clear for everyone?
Could you show the slide of 5 number summary?
See, this Q1 is 20.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I have done the mistake.
Okay, no issues. So any doubt in this or clear for everyone? Is this clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We go for the next slide.
Okay, so next slide is all about thank you.
Tulip means flower.
Thank you very much, sir. Next when you
Thank
are
you,
meeting, sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Sorry?
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Next
Thank you,
class
sir.
meeting.
So yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Thank
yeah.
you. Thank you,
See,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
yeah, 1 second. I'm going to share a feedback form on the chat box. Okay. So kindly fill that form. Okay,
Okay,
just
sir.
wait for a second. Yeah, just wait for a second. I'm going to
I
do
give
that.
5 stars, sir.
Oh, it's not about. Yes, so 1 second.
So,
Yeah, yes, please.
actually, if you want to solve more problems like these, is there any book or any online link or something like that that we can refer to?
For books, see, there is in the
Practice
yeah,
problems, more practice.
yeah. See, what I'm saying. There is book mentioned in the course introduction. You can refer those one. Uh, and if I think the number of questions we have covered in activity practice assignment, there are 2 practice assignment in each, and we have graded assignment questions. I think that will be more than enough. But yeah, if you want to say explore, then you can refer. There is a book which is mentioned in course introduction. Okay.
The form is not Sir, open for all. the
So the
link
form
is
is
not
asking for
opening.
The
permission.
form is not opening.
It is
Yeah,
saying
it's
that
require
you have
permission.
not given the
Okay.
permission.
1 second. Yeah, sorry. 1 second.
Form is showing resistance.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, please.
Yeah, it is open.
No, it's open for who has no. 1 second. Just wait for a minute.
So we need permission to.
Yeah. 1 second. Please. Wait for a second.
Is there any other online degree program run by other IIT or other thing? Despite
Okay,
this
so
IIT
you are
Madras?
You are not satisfied with this?
No, sir. I
Sir,
am
it's
just
fine.
asking
No
because
worry.
I have uh, seen in
Okay,
news and
so
IIT
yeah, I have
that
shared
might launching a course.
I have shared one
Yes, sir.
more.
It's working now.
Yeah, it's work. Okay, so yeah. Any doubt, anyone? So we can discuss. Otherwise, it's already 10. So you want? So we can discuss. Otherwise, we can close the session.
So tomorrow will be the office hours
Yeah,
class.
office hours. Yeah, 2 to 4 will be there. I will be there. I hope. Yeah, I will be there tomorrow.
Okay, so then I'll ask you tomorrow.
Yeah. No issues. No issues.
Office hours
Sir,
session
what
as
is
a
about
recording or not?
study room?
Sorry.
Office hour session as recording or it's only
No,
live?
it's not. It's not recorded. If you feel, then we can record also. It's in our hand. Okay, but it's something non-streaming, so that who has
Sir,
doubt.
one problem I am having. Sir,
Yeah.
one problem I am having. Office hours, I am not able to go into that Google Meet at all, sir. Nobody is allowing me inside.
No. See, we can allow you.
Sir, actually
to.
the time is not mentioned there. 2 to 4 only allow.
Yeah, it's a 2 to 4. So just try to join tomorrow. I will give the entry. Okay?
No, see what
Somehow
happened
it
now,
might.
whatever is there in my calendar, 2 to 4, that calendar, the Google Meet ID will come. In that, I'm trying to get inside and asking to join. But
Yeah, I think there might be some issue. But yeah, just try to join tomorrow. If I will there, then we'll give it to you.
2 to 4, we'll meet.
Yeah, 2 to 4. Yeah, it's 2 to 4. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Thank you very much, sir. Good
sir,
night, sir.
I'm not able to
Good night, sir.
join the session which are named as which are named as which are named as study room. Any study room
Yeah,
I'm
it's
not
for
into.
you guys, I think. Or
But
if you
I'm not
are
able
not
to
able.
join. I click on ask to join, but I'm not entering into
But
Google Meet.
yeah, I think then you can write to the support team because we are
I have
not.
mailed them, but they have replied that you will be
Yes,
able
for
to
a
do.
study room, right? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
we'll convey this message. Okay.
Sir, also convey, sir, I am not joining at the starting time. I am joining between the time, means around 7 to 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Okay, then thanks everyone. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thanks.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night. Bye everyone. Hope I was able to solve your doubts. Yeah, thanks.
Yes, sir.